What's going on, guys? Saturday today. It's I don't know, about 2 o'clock, I guess. We got some snow last night and it kind of blew pretty good for most of the night. So I got some snow drifts I gotta take care of, but first things first, I got a winch cable to fix. Yeah, my last video I ended up pushing snow up into the bank and it was actually pretty frozen. And yeah, sure shit, I broke the cable. So for today, I just went and I got some cable clamps. I'm just gonna try to jimmy rig it up just to hold me off. I did end up ordering a synthetic cable off Amazon, but that's still about 2 weeks away. So I figured I'd do this video a little different. Start off with a little walk around for the guys looking into getting into CFMOTO. If I could, I would probably upsize to the 800. Because the 600 does, well, you get used to the power, right? It's nothing too crazy. I mean, it's a good trail quad, but it's, you can get, like I said, you get used to that single cylinder. So, yeah, I'll show you guys the LCD. I think I only got about 500 kilometers on her so far. Still fairly new. It's kind of hard to see right now, but, yeah, the LCD is kind of nice. I like it. There's a Bluetooth option there. I believe that's just for incoming calls, though. It just alerts you when you're connected to your phone and an incoming call's coming. Me and my brother, we rigged up this light bar to the high beams. It's pretty nice, especially at night. It's fucking bright. This compartment, it has a lot of compartments, a lot of storage. Definitely not waterproof though. Found out the hard way. Going through a puddle and sure as shit. Take my wallet out, go gas up, and yeah, holy fuck, my wallet was soaked. But yeah, I got some work to do. Let's get at her. Well, let's take a better look at this. I do know the cable is spooled back up and it is tucked away. Kind of looks like we got some hex bolts here. 2 in the front that we got to take off. And then got a bolt on the side. Hopefully I could just loosen it off and then this kind of just pivots down. But if not, I'll just pull it. One of the videos, somebody asked what kind of plow I had. And I did say KFI, but it's actually a Colpin. I got it on sale there at Canadian Tire. I think I paid 200 bucks for it. It's holding up pretty good, no complaints. And then I did read a comment about having a chunk of rubber so I don't get splashed in the fucking face anymore. So I might look into that eventually as well. Oh yeah. Plug that in. Get some safety glasses on. We'll fire in the hole. Looks good. I wish I had a vise in here, but I don't. So I'm gonna cut that out. That's a pretty good boot on there. Okay, I just realized that my GoPro was actually switched to the photo mode, and I didn't record half of what I wanted to. But anyways, we got the one clamp on there. I functioned it a few times. It seems to be holding up. I just need it to hold up for about 2 weeks, and I'll get it swapped out.